Football, like a starry ray, embraces all nations. In Tajikistan, its eternal spirit rise in celebration. On Pamir slopes, the ball soars to the dawn, a song of peaks and the sun's eternal throne. Rustami Emomali lit the path like a torch's flame. Football reignites the hearts of Tajiks with its game. Saram's ancient whisper revives in the field's embrace. The game weaves hope and love in its timeless space. Navruz and Mergan merge in the ball's rhythmic dance. In their beat, the world's soul soar in a trance. The Shanbi stadiums bloom like stars in the night. Youth's fire and the earth's glory shine bright. FIFA welcomes us to its constellations glow. Football, our bridge to dreams in the day's flow. Children of the field's chase, where the ball is their sky. Football for all brings hope that will never die. Women's football, like a rose, blooms in the heart, leading us to equality, a world set apart. World Football Day unites the earth in its call. Tajikistan shines in the glory of eternal throng. Rustami Emomali, sports leader for all to see. Donior takes pride in his everlasting victory.